Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we can get app from App Store without required any password in our iPhone and iPod Touch. First we open App Store and search here any app that you want to install in your iPhone and iPod Touch. I try to install Zapier in my iPhone, so search it and get it. Tap on install. Here App Store asking me a password to enter and install the apps. How to fix it? Go back, open setting, tap on journal, tap on software update to check our update iOS 15.3.1. So go back, open iCloud icon, media and purchases, password setting, required password, turn it off and done, and back. Scroll down and tap on screen time. You can see here the option content and privacy restriction. Click on it. On the top option content and privacy restriction, turn it on. First option iTunes and App Store purchases, click on it. We see here the option always required and don't required. Click on don't required and go back and turn it off. Go back. Now we check again the app. Search here any app that you want to install and click on get install. Now you can see that the apps install without any password required again and again. In this way you can easily fix it. If this video is helpful for you, so please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.